Hello there, well, welcome to another video. As you can see, I've just been filling all the bird feeders, and they have a mixture here, the wild bird seed mix, which is in these, water up there, Niger seeds in that yellow one there, and some peanuts at the top. And Bill Oddie said a good thing, actually some good advice, and that's people are in the misconception of just feeding the birds in the winter, when in fact they do need feeding right through the year, and especially in the springtime when they have young to bring up. So okay then, all I got to do now is just fill this the Niger seeds, and this is favoured, funny enough, by the sparrows. There. And that's it. It's full of Niger seeds. And if you can see this, the only way they can get at these seeds is through little tiny holes there. There's another one, another two there. You can see them. One there and one just above the peg there. So it does take them a while. When I first put this feeder up, they were all pecking. They could see the seed, but they couldn't get at it. They couldn't get at it. So yeah, anyway, hang that up and let them get on with it. Okay. And that just hangs on there like that. Now you may not be able to see this on the camera, but just all around me, they're all waiting in anticipation to get stuck in. So not only do you feel good in feeding the birds, but you're doing them good as well, making sure that they, you know, survive, or you go somewhat one way of helping them survive and get through the winter. And as I say, in the spring, when they've got young to bring up. But, nice to watch them through the window as well as they're feeding. So that's it, birds fed, birds watered, it's raining, so they're all waiting now to get stuck in. So just a quick video and an update on my bird feeding of the wild birds of the garden. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.